The Internet of Things is revolutionizing how devices connect and communicate globally. As billions of sensors, smart devices, and connected systems come online, scalability becomes the critical challenge that determines success or failure. Architectural patterns and infrastructure design are the foundation that enables massive IoT deployments to function reliably. Understanding these principles is essential for building systems that can grow from hundreds to millions of devices without compromising performance, security, or cost efficiency. The scale of modern IoT deployments is staggering and continues to accelerate. Industry experts predict more than 75 billion connected IoT devices by 2025. These devices operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, continuously streaming data from millions of sensors across the globe. Systems must handle traffic spikes that can surge to 1,000 times normal levels during peak hours. Critical infrastructure requires 99.9% uptime to maintain reliability and trust. This massive scale creates unique challenges that traditional architectures simply cannot handle. 4 major challenges define IoT scalability. First, data volume becomes overwhelming as systems process terabytes of sensor data daily from millions of devices transmitting information simultaneously. Second, connection management requires maintaining stable connections with devices across unreliable networks spanning the entire globe. Third, load balancing must distribute traffic evenly across infrastructure to prevent server overload and ensure responsive performance. Finally, cost efficiency demands careful management of infrastructure expenses while scaling to accommodate exponential device growth. Each challenge requires specific architectural solutions and careful planning. 2 fundamental scaling approaches exist: vertical and horizontal. Vertical scaling means adding more power to existing servers, such as upgrading CPU, memory, or storage. It offers simple implementation with no code changes needed. However, vertical scaling hits hardware limitations quickly, creates single points of failure, and becomes expensive at scale. Horizontal scaling takes a different approach by adding more servers to the network instead of upgrading existing ones. This provides nearly unlimited scaling potential, better fault tolerance, and proves cost-effective for IoT deployments. The trade-off is increased architectural complexity and data synchronization challenges. For massive IoT systems, horizontal scaling is almost always the correct choice. Breaking down monolithic applications into microservices is essential for IoT scalability. Each service handles a specific responsibility independently. Device management handles registration, authentication, and lifecycle operations. Data ingestion receives and validates sensor data as it arrives. The processing engine performs real-time analytics and applies business rules. Storage services manage time series databases efficiently. Notification services handle alerts and event responses. Analytics APIs provide data queries and reporting capabilities. This architecture delivers key benefits including independent scaling of each service, isolated failures that do not cascade, flexibility to use different technologies per service, and faster deployment cycles. Microservices transform scalability from a system-wide constraint into a per-service optimization problem. Decoupling devices from backend processing is critical for scalability. Message queues sit between IoT devices and processing workers, absorbing traffic spikes and ensuring reliable delivery. Devices publish messages to the queue, which stores them temporarily before workers consume and process the data. 3 popular protocols serve different needs. MQTT provides lightweight publish-subscribe messaging for constrained devices with limited power and bandwidth. Apache Kafka delivers high-throughput distributed streaming for massive data volumes. RabbitMQ offers flexible routing and delivery guarantees for complex workflows. This decoupling allows the system to scale devices and processing independently, preventing backend overload from impacting device operations. Processing data closer to the source dramatically improves scalability and performance. Traditional cloud processing sends all data to centralized servers, requiring high bandwidth and introducing higher latency, but enabling complex analytics. Edge processing takes a different approach by filtering and analyzing data locally at the network edge. This reduces bandwidth requirements significantly, achieves millisecond latency for real-time decisions, and provides offline capability when connectivity fails. The winning strategy is a hybrid approach. Process time-sensitive data at the edge for immediate action, then send aggregated insights to the cloud for long-term analytics and machine learning. This combination optimizes both performance and cost. Choosing the right database technology for each workload is crucial for IoT scalability. Time series databases like InfluxDB and TimescaleDB are optimized for timestamp index sensor data with high write throughput and efficient compression. NoSQL databases such as MongoDB and Cassandra provide flexible schemas for diverse device types with horizontal scaling capabilities. In-memory caching using Redis or Memcache delivers ultra-fast access to device states and recent data for real-time applications. Data lakes built on Amazon S3 or Azure Data Lake enable long-term storage of raw data for historical analysis and machine learning. This approach, called polyglot persistence, uses the right database for each specific workload rather than forcing all data into a single database type. Distributing traffic intelligently and scaling resources automatically are essential for handling variable IoT workloads. Load balancing strategies include round-robin, which rotates requests through servers in sequence, least connections, which routes to the server with the fewest active connections, and geographic routing, which directs devices to the nearest regional server. Auto-scaling responds to demand dynamically. Horizontal pod autoscalers add or remove containers based on current load. Predictive scaling uses historical patterns to scale before traffic arrives. Scheduled scaling pre-allocates resources for known peak periods. Success requires monitoring 4 key metrics: CPU usage, memory usage, request rate, and response time. Together, these techniques ensure optimal resource utilization and consistent performance. Security and observability cannot be afterthoughts in massive IoT deployments. Security essentials include device authentication using certificates, end-to-end encryption for data in transit, role-based access control for APIs, regular security audits and updates, and secure boot with firmware validation. Monitoring requires specialized tools. Prometheus for metrics collection across distributed systems, Grafana for visualization dashboards, the Elk stack for log aggregation and analysis, Jaeger for distributed tracing, and alerting systems for detecting anomalies. Critical success factors include implementing zero-trust architecture, where nothing is trusted by default, monitoring everything to maintain visibility, automating incident response for rapid recovery, regular disaster recovery testing to ensure preparedness, and continuous optimization based on real-world metrics. These practices transform security and monitoring from reactive tasks into proactive strategic advantages.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.